Today at Milk Street, we're gonna be making our coconut ginger rice. So it's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit salty. So to start, I have lemongrass here. And you can see these can look a little bit beat up. They're not very pretty, but don't let that dissuade you. We're gonna take off the top and bring it down to about 8 inches and cut off the bottom. So now that I have this trimmed down, I'm just gonna beat it up a little bit. We wanna kind of bruise it, and that's gonna release those essential oils. And we're gonna move to our shallots, which are the other aromatic in this recipe. We're just gonna thinly slice our shallots. The last little bit of prep is our ginger. Now, if you've never peeled ginger with a spoon, it's a really fast, efficient way to peel. So you should be left with about a 1-inch chunk of ginger, and I'm just gonna cut that into thirds. And then just like with the lemongrass, we're gonna beat it up a little bit to help release that flavor into the pot. Okay, so now that we have our aromatics prepared, we're just gonna move over to the saucepan. I'm just gonna heat up a tablespoon of coconut oil. And if you can find unrefined coconut oil, that's really gonna reinforce that coconut flavor. Refined is fine if that's all they have at the grocery store. And we're gonna heat it over a medium-high heat until it just starts to smoke. I'm just starting to see some little wisps of smoke in the shimmering, so I wanna get the shallots in there. And now this is just gonna take between 3 and 5 minutes. We want the shallots to soften and sweeten a little bit. You can see we're just starting to get some browning here, so now I'm gonna add the aromatics, our ginger and our lemongrass. You really have to use your nose. It's just gonna take about 30 seconds for that to get fragrant. And then you're gonna add your rice. I have 1.5 cups of water, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and you wanna go for the regular full-fat coconut milk. Do not use the light stuff here. And a teaspoon of kosher salt. So once this comes up to a simmer, you're just gonna cover the pot, reduce it to low, and it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes until your rice is done. So less than 30 minutes, and we have a light, fresh, and flavorful side dish.